In this series, we'll cover what is method overloading and what is method overriding. So let's get started. What is method overloading? Basically, method overloading is multiple methods with the same name in the same class with the different parameter. So like the method name should be same, but it can have different parameter list like type, number or order can be different. And we can achieve using method overloading compile time, like basically it happen in the compile time. Purpose of this doing, like it increase readability and for doing method overloading, we can achieve compile time polymorphism. And if you see what are the rules for this, so rules, same method name and different parameter, it can have number types order and return type can also be different. So if you'll see the example of method overloading, suppose we have a class calculator, in that we have method add. So if the type return type of add method is int and it has two parameter int a int b. So what it is doing, returning a plus b. Okay. So same method we are creating add, that return type is double, like here we are changing the return type and parameter also we are changing double in double a double b, it also returning a plus b. And we can do like same method return type also and just changing in parameter into a into b into c, so this return into a b c. So this is like method overloading. Okay. And what is method overriding? Method overriding is defining like in parent class and accessing the subclass while changing the implementation. So like in this case, the method name should be same, return type also should be same, and parameter also should be same. Just you will change the implementation. Your logic you will change. You will not modify the method anything. Just you will change your implementation. So this happen in the runtime. Means like using inheritance, you can achieve this. And the purpose of this enables runtime polymorphism. Means like you can achieve runtime polymorphism using method overriding. If you see rules for these, so the method name signature should be same in subclasses. It happen in the case of inherited from the parent class and cannot override final static private methods. This is the most important interview question. Can we override final static and private method? So no, we cannot override final static private methods. And always use override annotation that is recommended. Just note like if you not write, then you will code will work fine, no issue. But that is the recommendation to use override annotation. Like if you see the example, we have a animal class that have sound method, and we are returning like system.out to println animal make sound, and we are creating subclass dog that is extending animal class. That is the case of inheritance. Okay. And in the subclass, we are overriding sound method. So see the signature, void return type, and sound method name also saying we are not providing any parameters. So it is no parameter, same, just we return override annotation, and this is our implementation we say. So like we are printing dog bark, so just we are changing our logic. Okay, not anything we are changing here, just we are changing our logic. So we see the difference between both. If feature, if you'll see the method overloading in the same class and method overriding is the subclass, like in the case of inheritance. Parameter must be different and must be same in the overriding. A return type can be different in the method overloading, but in the method overriding must be the same return type. And And like method overloading, we can achieve at the time of compile time, and method overriding that we can achieve runtime. So this both are the example of polymorphism. We are having two types of polymorphism: compile time polymorphism and runtime polymorphism. So using method overloading, we can achieve compile time polymorphism, and using method overriding, we can achieve runtime polymorphism. So if we see the real-time example of method overloading, okay, we have a print function suppose. So print function that can we can print text, PDF or image, anything. The function is print function will be same, but parameter we are changing return type, text, PDF or image. Or in the case of overriding, the child overrides parent object or parent methods in different ways. Same method name, parameter, written, everything will be same. Just in the will change the implementation. Will not change anything. So here is our summary. I will conclude this. Overloading compile time, same classes, different parameters, and overriding runtime, subclass, same signature, everything will be same. So both basically used to achieve polymorphism, compile time polymorphism or runtime polymorphism. So that's we have covered compile time polymorphism and like method overloading and method overriding. So thanks for the watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it.